So here we have what our board looks like and the components of the board that we're actually using. This is the main button that stops and starts these LEDs. This is the on-off switch, and these two on this right side are the round switches. So here we have round 1, here we have round 2, here we have round 3, here we have round 4, and obviously these correspond to these switches being high or low. And here is where your score gets displayed on the 7-segment display. Okay, so these numbers represent what round it is, as I said. And the way that the rounds work is that you can designate what round you want to be in by flipping these switches on or off. And round 1 will correspond to a slower movement of the LEDs from left to right. And of course round 2 will be quicker, 3 slightly quicker, 4 is really, really quick. And of course the 7-segment display tells you what your score is, and this score represents how close you've gotten to this LED. So let's say this is lit up. Your score will be 150. So that's as high as you can get, and actually it works so that if you land on this LED, you get 0 points. So the number actually goes between 0 and 150. Okay, so here we have a pretty big module in our overall design, and this consists of 4 different clock dividers that each take in the main clock, and they output 4 different clock speeds. And those different clocks with different speeds will go into a mux, and then the output of that mux depends on the round switch. This is what RDSW stands for.
Another part of our design takes the LED states, and that is a 16-bit number. And wherever the active bit is on, that's where the light is. And when you play the game, wherever the light is determines how many points you get.